This is Friendship Star, and it is based on a 9 patch. You're going to have 5 square and a square units to 4 rail fence units. The one thing to keep in mind with this, that I'm going to say before I tell you about the piecing, is pay attention to the pressing on this, because your dark connector corners get pressed towards the square. The reason you do that is so that this seam nests right here, and it nests very, very nicely. Using connector corners, you're going to want to draw the line diagonally across. You can use a seam guide, or you can use simple folded corners by Antler Quilt Designs. Doug Lee, I'm going to get that thing straight. That works really nicely. It's going to let you trim it. You've got your scant 1/4 inch seam allowance. He's also got terrific instructions if you want to oversize it and trim the unit square. This is a unit that can be tricky to get it square. I also like piecing these, where I will do opposing corners, get them pressed, and then opposing corners. I find that works better for me than going around. Some people prefer the other way. Do the way that works best for you. One thing I'll show you really quick, it's also a nice one for pressing, because all of your seams are going to go in the direction automatically that they're going to lay best. These are going towards the large strips. These are going against the points or away from the points. The center seams will get pressed towards the center. You can press that open if you like, but I found that this one laid really, really nicely without it. Friendship Star.